In the previous video, we have already discussed the detailed syllabus of CTET paper 2 in Science and Pedagogy. In science, you have to read food, materials, the world of the living, moving things, people and ideas, how things work, natural phenomena, natural resources and pedagogical issues. In this video, we will discuss about the best books of science and pedagogy for CTET paper 2. Also, this will help you to prepare for West Bengal Primary TET and West Bengal Upper Primary TET exam, and for preparing WBCS, Rail, Bank, UPSC, SSC, Group C, Group D and different miscellaneous exams. So let's begin. First of all, to understand the exam pattern and question pattern, must buy previous year question paper book with solutions, or search Google to find the previous year questions. In this regard, you can select any books from Arihant publication or McGraw-Hill publication or Pearson publication. Next, to clear the theoretical concept of science pedagogy, must read all your B.Ed science pedagogy books from B.Ed semester 2 and semester 3. They are the best books of pedagogy of science teaching, that is from life science and physical science, are from Nilkamal publication, Aheli publication and Rita publication. You can select any one or two books from this collection. Just go and simply try to read it. If you have any problem in any area of science, just go and read and clear your concept from West Bengal Board or CBSE or NCERT or ICSE textbooks of class 7, 8, 9, 10. All these books provide a very good understanding of concepts, strengthen your base and supplement your learning with numerous practice problems. General science book from Satra publication, Topati publication, Winners publication and Disha publication are all the highly recommended books. These books definitely help you to do the best in exam. All these books also include complete answers with solutions. Go through the syllabus of your exam and practice accordingly. Achievers, Pesa Probesh, Jubo Christi, Mahindra's Current Affairs are the best monthly magazines for GK, environment, science, social science, etc. You must try to read any one of these magazines and this will definitely help you to answer most of the questions in exam. Kormokhetro, Jibika Dishari, Kaj Career, Kormosongstans are the weekly papers and these papers will really help you for practicing maths, environment and science. So these are all the collection of best science pedagogy books for CTET paper 1 and paper 2, West Bengal Primary TET, West Bengal Upper Primary TET or WBCS, Rail, Bank, exam, etc. Don't forget to comment which book you like the most or prefer for your upcoming exams. I hope this discussion may help you for your future preparation. Thank you and happy learning.